I became a social worker because I wanted to try to help people and make the world a better place. And I actually feel like I do that way more now as an attorney, especially when it comes to the estate planning side. Just as I was about to begin law school, my family had a very unfortunate tragedy, and there was a serious car accident that took the life of a young family member and put another family member's life at risk. There was a lot of chaos. There was a lot of unknown, and obviously a lot of fear. And I just know from that experience, if things were in place, if documents were in place, if plans were in place, it still would have been awful. But I think it would have taken some of the strain away from the family. It feels really good to be able to do that for people.
My husband and I moved to South Lyon about 2 years ago, and we bought our first house together. We already had a daughter, we had a kid on the way, and we were like, we need to get our affairs in order. I felt like I could come to this space, we could have conversations with Julie and her team, and if we cry, and that's okay. So when we came in January to sign everything, and I was 7 months pregnant with our son, I was like, this feels so good. This feels like the biggest lift off my to-do list that I didn't even know I had.
I think a lot of people push it off for one reason or another. Some just don't have the time. Some people think they don't have enough assets to do it. Anything can happen in the blink of an eye, and making sure that you're prepared for those things for the worst case scenario is something that I think people really need to keep an eye out for.
I've heard from so many clients after sitting down and signing all of their documents that when we stand up at the end of the meeting, so many people have literally said, oh my gosh, I feel this weight off my shoulders, or I'm just so relieved to know that this is in place. That's exactly how we want clients to feel when we've completed their estate plan.
I've always loved Julie's practice because she gives back to the community so much. You can see her name everywhere. She's a household name, and everyone I've talked to, they're like, oh yeah, Julie Paquette, of course. We all know her. Whether we know her personally, we all know her as like a mini town celebrity.
I love working here. We hang out outside of work, we hang out inside of work, and that's what makes our team great, is that we all work together, we all care about each other. It's a little family almost.
I don't want people to think of me as a lawyer. I want to connect with them. We understand it's very difficult to think about and plan for your own death. We understand that. So we try to bring a lot of compassion to the work that we do.
I just cannot recommend her team enough. And also just really grateful for everything that she does in the community.